Have you ever wondered why you're really here? Why certain truths are hidden? This video didn't find you by accident. Maybe this is your sign. Maybe God brought you here because now you're ready to remember. You've heard the word Kundalini, but what if what you've been told is only half the truth? They say it's dangerous, too intense, something to fear. But here's the truth. Kundalini is not chaos. Kundalini is not a curse. Kundalini is divine power. It's the pure energy of creation, coiled at the base of your spine, waiting to rise. It's the silent power within you, sleeping, waiting, and when it awakens, everything changes. This isn't just energy, it's a spiritual awakening, a return to your true self. But the world distracts you. They teach you to fear your power, to numb it, to forget it. Because if you knew the truth, you would no longer be controllable. You would be free. Kundalini doesn't explode. It flows, gently, naturally, like a river of light through your spine. And you don't need rituals or gurus or extreme practices. You need presence, breath, stillness. When you sit quietly and breathe with intention, you invite it in. You make space for the energy to rise. And what happens next? You begin to feel alive, whole, peaceful, connected to something greater. Your intuition sharpens. Your anxiety fades. You begin to live in truth. Because Kundalini doesn't destroy, it rebuilds, it heals, it purifies everything that isn't you. So don't be afraid. Be aware. Be still. Be open. This is your gift. This is your return to power. They lied to keep you asleep. But now, you're waking up. Let it rise.